Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the workbook that uses the data source you want to delete. Once loaded, go straight to the data pane on the left and locate the data source by name. Make sure to check whether dashboards or worksheets reference it, because deleting in a new source breaks views. If it's an extract, note its refresh schedule. If live, confirm alternative sources exist. Taking these checks now prevents downstream errors and gives you a safe path to removal. Next, systematically remove or replace every reference. You should open each worksheet and dashboard that lists fields from the target source and either swap them to another source or delete those fields. Once done, go to Data Source and verify no extracts, refresh tasks, or subscriptions point to it. If the source is published, unpublish related data source versions. These steps prevent orphaned views and broken extracts. Once everything is disconnected, you're ready to remove the source cleanly. Finally, right-click the data source in the data pane and choose Close or Remove. If it's published, remove it from Tableau Server or Cloud using the Content Manager. After deletion, republish the workbook or refresh locally to confirm everything renders correctly. Make sure to run a full extract refresh where applicable. Troubleshooting tip: if a view errors after deletion, check hidden worksheets and unused calculations. They often retain stale references that block completion. Restore from a backup if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.